Well, Birlasoft will be in focus because if you see year to date, there has been a sharp fall in the share prices of the company, nearly 41% drop. And today, as you said, will be the last day to buy shares for any investor if they're interested to participate in the buyback of this company. So if you see the buyback details here, the issue size of this buyback is close to 390 crore rupees, and the buyback price is at 500 rupees per share, which is at a premium of around 48% compared to the current market price. And the company intends to buy back nearly 78 lakh shares, and 15% of this would be reserved for retail shareholders, that is close to 11.7 lakh shares. Now what can retail investors do in this scenario? Firstly, they need to buy close to 539 shares in Birlasoft. That is when they will be considered as a retail shareholder, because the total value of the shares would be less than 2 lakh rupees. Then they need to tender all these shares for buyback. Now the gains for a retail shareholder from participating in this buyback would completely depend on the acceptance ratio, which is not known yet. So let's see what could be the scenarios here. If 100% is the acceptance ratio, which means that all the shares that are tendered for buyback are accepted by the company, then the gains would be clear straight at around 48%. At 50% acceptance ratio, the gains would come down to 24%. At 25% acceptance ratio, it would be around 12% gains, and at around 10% acceptance ratio, the gains would come down further at around 5%. But do remember, these gains would be tax free at the hands of the shareholders.